one is it. That one is it. Yeah. Yeah, man. Dream team.
One team.
Dream team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
One team.
Dream team.
One team.
Alright, then so.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
I know you ain't gonna let this shit go down like this, nigga. I'm getting these niggas to the club, niggas sounding like you, nigga. Bite your motherfucking hand, nigga. Bite your motherfucking style, nigga. What the fuck going on, nigga? You better check you motherfucking niggas, man.
I was the man on these streets. They call me residue. I leave blow on these beats on this. Even when I'm constipated, I still shit on this. I know it means I'm a
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Good morning, good morning, good morning. You know, you guys, love, I'm out here in Fort Lauderdale. Exactly which part are we right now? Southwest, guys.
Southwest Miami.
Yes, so guys, I'm down in, yeah. So guys, I'm down by Southwest Miami. You know, say Mommy Charmaine is taking good care of me. I'm gonna introduce you to my brother. But this is Mommy Charmaine's son. Say once it's mommy, this is bro. You understand? So it's nothing but love. So the mother, so the son. You know, it's nothing but love. So blessed love. We're down here in Southwest Miami. You know, so this is nothing but a good time. You know? Nothing but a good time, guys. I'm telling you. Nothing but a good time. The love that Mommy Charmaine is showing me, like the nurses, is nothing but love, man. Trust me. So much to explain, because trust me, to explain all of this love, like, it's too much. You know, it's too much. So, and just you're gonna go on the road, get 1 and 2 stuff, you know, and then we're gonna head back down, you know, chill and hold a vibe, you know, everything goes already. So we're down here Southwest Miami, where the sun is warm. You know, it's not cold as New York, but it's chill. You know, it's chill. It's a chill vibe. It's really a chill vibe. You know, it's not that hot. Not that driver, don't stop at all. Mujubantan. This is like an hour away from sunrise, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're literally like an hour away from sunrise. Like, down here is more calm and quiet, you know, more relaxing. You know?
So.
Yeah. It feels so.
It's still early.
It's still early. It's at the party world is.
Yeah, no, it's plenty of party.
Yeah?
Jamaican, Haitian,
Yeah.
every nationality you can think of.
Down here.
Yeah.
Okay. So down here is the mix.
Yeah, mix.
Down here is the mixed variety of everyone down here. So
Sunrise is more like Jamaican.
okay.
Jamaican, Haitian.
Okay. So down here where everything mix. So guys, so this is Kevin. You know, as you can see, look for him and see Miss Charmaine. You know, the resemblance is there same way. So you know, so from say moving, this a big bro, this a bro we are roll out on the road, you know the thing goes. So there in the street like white line. You know, like the white line in the street, that's how we're out here in the street. You know, so we're gonna check out 1 and 2, something. You know,
So stay tuned.
Well. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome guys to Kino Live in, well, right now I'm at Southwest Miami. Yeah, so that's where I'm at now. So it's Kino Live in Southwest Miami. Cause it seems like everywhere I go, I have to add it as to where the live is in. So this is Kino Live in Southwest Miami. So welcome guys, welcome. So guys, so I just want to show you my lovely where I'm staying. You know, this is like my lovely estate. You know guys, so this is where I'm staying right here. So this is Cutler Bay, you know, Southwest Miami. I don't know if you're familiar with that name or whosoever who knows this area, who's locally, internationally, and know about Cutler Bay. This is Southwest Miami. You know, I'm telling you, this neighborhood is so good, not lying, looking so good. Like literally, if you could just check it out, the place is so nice, you know. So I just also wanna thank, you know, our lovely subscriber, you know, because here is where they got the Airbnb. You know, this is where I'm staying at the Airbnb here in Southwest Miami, Cutler Bay. So after I finish work, you know, I'm gonna give you a room tour, you know, show you what the place is like, because trust me, you're gonna need to come down and book this place. You know, whenever you're traveling, or you're coming from Orlando or anywhere you are, and you want to stop off to have a nice place to chill, peace and quiet, trust me, down here is the spot. And the Airbnb, it is the spot, you know. And I have to thank my lovely subscriber, you know. Thank you so much, you know, for watching Kino Life in Jamaica, for the great work that we're doing, for blessing me with these blessings, you know, the hospitality, for giving me this stay to be staying here. Trust me guys, hey, this is beyond words to explain, you know. But I'm gonna show you, but let me just show you a bit of what the community is like. You know, it is so peaceful, so quiet, and so nice. You know, you cannot go wrong. You know, you cannot go wrong. And trust me, I know this will worth the money. You know, it will definitely will worth the money. So I don't know if you're familiar with the place Cutler Bay. You know, so let me just walk to this corner a bit. You know, but it's so quiet. You know, so down here is like you know, a middle class area. You know, so you see, so you have to mingle and jingle so it can brush off. You know, so if I'm in the middle class area, that means that I am a middle class too. So if I'm in the first class here, I'm a first class. So anywhere you go, you can adapt. Say if you're in a third class, you're a third class too. You know, say if you're in a no class, you're a no class too. So we adapt like lizard, right? So that's all it is. We adapt like lizard. So guys, I'm telling you, this place is so nice. Hey, lizard. Everywhere I go, I keep seeing these. It must be iguanas. Trust me. These boys are big. There's some big boys around here. I see some big one yesterday, but it wasn't in this area. So Cutler Bay, Southwest Miami. You know, guys, Southwest Miami. So I'm so excited, you know, to go show you. I'm so excited to show you where I'm staying. It's like I don't want to walk anymore. It's like while I'm here, I don't want to come out the house. You know, so I decided to make a walk quickly and then return back. Just want to stay inside, walk a bit and come back, because the place is quiet. You know, so where I'm staying is called the Dream State. So imagine that name, Dream State. You know, so if you wake up in a bad state, you need to come into the dream state. You know, so you feel like you're dreaming. While you're here, you're gonna feel like you're literally dreaming. So that's why it's called dream state. I love that name, dream state. You know, so let's take you inside for where I'm staying. You know, dream state. So this is upon arrival outside, you know, of my dream state. Wonderful, wonderful. So in the night when this light is on, hey, trust me, out here is nice. You know, you got your little garden, so the landscaping is good as well too. You know, you got stone, this is your parking. If you come here, this is your parking as well too. So you have your own parking, right? Own parking. So here, Matt, I cannot knock because this is where I'm staying, you know. So let me take off my glasses to myself, right? So if you come here, you come check me and you ring, I'm watching you on the camera, right? So you know the thing goes, it's well secure. So welcome to my humble home. This is called Dream State. Welcome to paradise. Look at this. Welcome to paradise. So this is up on arrival. Wow. So look at the beauty. So this is my sitting area. So you know the thing, you have to take off your shoes once you enter because the place is so clean. You know, when you walk, you don't even see dirt, no time on your feet. So check it out, guys. So this would be my sitting area. Look at the living room over here. Nice sofa. I was here last night. Literally, I couldn't move. You know. So imagine me here last night like this. Let me show you what's it like. I was like this. The window was down, and I was like this, relaxing. You know, meditating. So let me take off back. Get relaxed. Be at home because this is home for me. You know the thing goes already. So let me show you some more while I go on inside here. So guys, so this is Cutler Bay. You know, I'm in Cutler Bay, Southwest Miami. You know, so this Airbnb is called Dream State. So look at this. If you come with a group of you guys, there's so many plates on the table. You know, family. I really love this. This is so nice. It's unique. You know, is it candle? No, but you can put candle inside of it, you know. So imagine having dinner, you dim all the lights, you know, you're having that candle dinner. And I like the table as well too. So nice. Everything in here is just unique, you know. Look at the heart, you know. Look at the heart. It's so unique. The light as well too, so beautiful, you know. I just like the way how they think out the box, you know, the house, like literally. I like the way they think out the box to get this place as how it is. So this will be your living and dining area, you know. So you got both in one. So there's coming in, so you have the living and dining area in one. So that's unique. And over here to my right is where you got your, I call this your comfort zone of watching your TV, relaxing here in a nice leather sofa, you know, big screen, TV in front of you, legs up, and you want to stay. Whoa! And like, watch if I say, whoa, you know, whoa, you know. Trust me, like this is literally a blessing, guys. So the link for this Airbnb is going to be in the description. You know, it's literally going to be in the description. So this is your area where you can sit. I call this a showroom, you know, the comfort zone, your showroom. You know, this is your showroom. You're in the cinema, the theater, big screen TV and wall, and you know, mirror after there, if you look on yourself, always check yourself before you wreck yourself. You know, always, you know, more hard work on the wall. It's so unique, you know. I'm taking notes. You know, I'm taking notes. So this is like, wow, this is real as well. Right? See? So guys, I'm taking notes for my future. You know, whenever I'm gonna call one my own. But Look, so this is the kitchen over here, and trust me, complimentary here. Why, you know, I can't even drink it, but I will just pose with it. There's even got a pose with it. So this is my complimentary wine here. You know, thank you so much. You know, thank you so much to my lovely subscriber. You know, for blessing me with this. You know, so only if you have company. Some, you know what, they watch me and notice I always been wearing Ray-Bans, so they get me 3 different types of shades. You know, you got the large, the medium, and the small of my choice. You know, so lovely. Imagine, so lovely. So check this out. This is your kitchen area. You know, this is your kitchen. Complimentary fruits, because I know, you know, I'm a pescatarian, and I love my fruits. So look at this. My fruits are here, complimentary. You know, look at this. Papaya, apple, you know, you name it. You know, I'm so blessed, staying healthy. They're keeping me healthy also, guys. Just showing you this alone, I'm excited myself. You know, even though, as you can see, I'm not cook as yet. Yeah, no cooking not go on yet. No cooking. So these are the cupboards, you know, you're blessed with everything inside them, your glass, like literally you're spoiled for favors in here. You know, so you have your blender, you have your coffee maker, you have your toaster. You know, you're spoiled when you're here. Like literally, a big microwave. You know, so this is gonna always be there because, you know, I'm a microwave fan and everything. So this is how it is. You know, you have all different type of knives. You know, over here you get your seasoning. So mostly you got your spices over here, all different types. You know, herbs. So you're blessed with this as well too. You know, drawers, strainers, like so much. And you got your big fridge. You know, ice maker, everything you want. So you know the thing goes already. You know, water for you in a fridge. So this is the fridge here, big. So if you want, you can even hide in the fridge. You can take out these trays and you get inside the fridge if you feel like to cool down, if you're not cool enough. You know, so this is the kitchen. You know, so you can hear cooking same way, watching TV at the same time cooking. So it's good to make sure so you pay attention, right? So you have the big fridge here, and this is the dishwasher. This is your dishwasher right here. So if you don't feel like washing in the sink, you feel a bit lazy, you know, you can put your dishes in there. But here's your sink, you know. So don't mistake this for a shower. It's for wash. So check this out as well too. What up? What up? Boy, I really love this place. It's really a dream to be here. So I'm really in a dream state. So you don't have to worry about washing. Here is your washer and dryer also. You know, you get blessed with washer and dryer at the same time. Wash and dry. And you're blessed with soaps and everything here. You know? So I like the way they look out for their guests. You know, that is so good. So let me close this up. Let me close this up. So guys, are you ready for this? So let me know. This is 3 bedroom, right? It's a 3 bedroom, master bedroom. You know, same for adults. You have a bedroom for if you got kids. Same way for adults. Same way you want to stay in there. You got 3 bedrooms. So I'm going to show you my room, which is, you know, the thing goes, the master bedroom. So let's show you the well. So this is the master bedroom. You know, this is the master bedroom. So check it out. Big king size bed. You know, big king size bed. And you don't see nothing yet. So if I don't feel like sitting down on the bed, here it goes. Voila. 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 Voila, voila. Voila. Listen, I'm so spoiled. Why? So when you do good in life, this is what good shall return, you know. And look at this big TV in the room, you know. Look at this massive TV right here in the room, you know. Look at this. So this is my workstation, you know. Edit from, you know, as you can see. Spoiled for that. So this is the master bedroom. So imagine this. So you got your wardrobe right here, you know. Walk in. You know, this one is a walk in. You know, so you also have your baby chair if you have your baby. You know, then you got your little rocking chair, the baby chair right there. So this is a walk-in one. Long time I haven't been into a walk-in. And the carpet on the floor, my days. This is like a room itself, you know. The carpet on the floor is like a room itself, guys. I'm telling you, so nice. Last night when I was in here, I was literally like sitting down right here. Like the way it feels, so nice. So this is the walk-in. So right. So let me show you the bathroom now. Big mirror, big boy, big boy, big boy. So you have a chair if you feel like say you don't have to sit down right here, you know. And fix up yourself, be here. And if you're a female and you want to do your makeup, you don't have to worry, you know. Everything's set. If you brush your teeth and don't feel like standing up, brush your teeth, so sit down and brush your teeth. So nice. So want to see the bathroom? Show you what I'm going in the bathroom now. So this is the bathroom. But this one, we never asked about this one. I don't know, explain. So this is where you pee. So you have one for pee, I guess, and one for poo. So pee, poo. Yeah, guys, one for pee, one for poo. I guess. Yes. They say go and kind of spoil, they get used to new things, you know, because I never go into a bathroom and I see two at the same time, one for pee, one for poo. Have to be, right? Have to. Hey, correct me if I'm wrong. This one caught me by surprise, right? I have to go in life, they say you have to go things you don't know, you Google it, or we just call it the house. So guys, right now you have people, right? So whenever you come into an Airbnb and see people, you know, you go pee and poo, you know, poo and pee. Sorry, let's let me show you the shower now. Wow, this is gonna be the big surprise for you guys. Check this out. Check this out. A jacuzzi shower. Yeah, a jacuzzi shower. I was gonna do the jacuzzi last night, but I said, you know what, it don't make no sense, you know. Trust. So here's your shower up here, and your jacuzzi down here, you know. How splendid, you know. How splendid can that be? Beautiful, you know. I like how them separated, you know. So toilet and jacuzzi in here, the shower, and out there you have your mirror where you brush your teeth, your face sink is out here, you know. So wonderful. And right here is your exit. You can go outside to the back through the shower, exit, and look at the back. Look at your back garden. Just look at your back garden. Big space. Same say family, if you have a group of you guys, over there is where you have a barbecue grill, you know, outdoors. Just look at that. Just look. Look. I even got outside fruits, you know. These are all real, guys. Look. So spoiled. So, sir. I know it's not mango time, but we have mango tree. It's not mango time, but we have mango tree right here. So lovely, guys. Too lovely. It's too good to be true, you know. So let's take you back inside. All right, come. Let me show you the rest of the rooms. So this is the master bedroom, you know, so you know after the master will come down. And also here we got choices for towels and rags and sheets, you know, right in here is where you keep all of those. Yeah. So it's 3 bedroom and 2 bathroom. So here is the next room. Right, so from master come down to the queen. Now you also have a TV here in here as well too. So nice. So we're here at Southwest Miami, you know, Cutler Bay. So the link will be in the description, you know, because you know it goes. So here's you got a closet, you know. So I'm saying look out for kids. So if you don't have anything for bring the kids them around, you know we got that as well too. Is here. That's also here. You know, they really look out for the kids them. Trust me. You got bath pan for kids. You got your push pram. You know, you got everything walker. You got walker here also, and you got your buggy, your big pram, twin pram. So even if it's twin, we have twin pram. You know, twin pram. So this is nice and cozy. So if it's a group of you guys, you know, so you're 1 bed here, so over here, so you have 2 in the next room. Are true? That is true. So over here we got 2, you know, 2 bed, two singles, one over here and one over here. You know, and what's so beautiful about this, when you pull your curtain, voila, glass. You know, and you can also go outside from here if you want to. You know, you just open. And you step right outside if you want to have your cup of tea, and if you feel like sitting down outside the bedroom, you know, catching the sun, having your cup of tea. You're so blessed for that. Step outside and step right in your bedroom, right? Go. Just as easy as that. Just as easy as that. So you know, each room, you know, also have a TV as well too. You know, have to be on the wall. So comfortable life, guys. And here's your wardrobe. You know, comfortable. You see, support for more kids. I just love the idea of them of the supporting stuff for the kids, because you know these days, you know, the thing goes already, you know, baby are born, so people is traveling as families. You know, if you want to come down with your family, you can do so. If you want to come by yourself, you can get a room. You can get a room also. But it's also the bathroom as well too that come with these, you know, different from the master bedroom. So this is it right here. You know, so simple and nice. So simple and nice. More artwork on the wall. You know, you tile it here, so you have the pool and pee in one right here. So it's not like the master where you have pool and pee separate. You know, so this is it. The shower is here. Lovely. Lovely. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Yeah. So you can't complain, guys. You can't complain. Can't bad. So nice. So lovely. So yeah. So tell me what you think. You know, tell me what you think about it. You know, the link will be in the description. You know, I will leave a contact info right there. Feel free to come book your Dream State Airbnb. So this is a Dream State Airbnb. Dream State Airbnb. Wow. Lovely. So this is a unique coat hanger. You know, you can put your hat if you got one. Put your coat and that one, and you're good. So yes, guys. So you know the thing goes already. For that walk in the morning, I'm giving you that review of the place. You know, showing you what it's like. You know, it's my time to go and relax a bit. Cause you know we have the meet and greet to go to, so catch you down there right now at the meet and greet. So right now I'm ready. Extended family, I am coming to you right now. Blessed love, Dream Team, one team. That is it. Trinidad Cutler. Hello.
I came to meet you. I follow you on Instagram and everything. So I was
Okay.
driving up. I said, I gotta go by and see my
You know.
guy. So it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Keep
you,
up the
man.
good work that you're doing. How you doing? I saw her yesterday.
Sure, man.
Yes. It's really a pleasure to have you here.
Yeah. Just
And you're
pulling up
very,
as well.
very, very good. Keep on doing what you're doing, and you're doing an awesome job. Right?
Thank you so much.
We have a safe journey back home when you leave.
Yeah.
All right. And it's Jackie. My name is Trini Jackie.
Trini Jackie from
Jackie
Trinidad.
from Trinidad.
Okay, so you're leaving.
Yeah.
Oh,
okay.
leaving soon.
Yeah,
Alright, nice
okay,
meeting
bro.
you.
Nice meeting you.
Alright
Take care.
then. Alright,
Alrighty.
no problem.
Alright.
Well, guys, so I just arrived, you know. I just arrived here, you know, at R&D, so I'm really early. So I'm here now, you know. So I make sure I'm the first one to get here before anyone gets here. You know, so we're at the R&D Sports Pub. You know.
How are you?
I'm good, man.
Good.
Oh, nice
We were
meeting
at Act 2.
you. On time.
Yes.
On time.
This is Donna.
Hello, Donna.
Sweetie, nice to meet
Nice
you.
meet you. Nice to meet you,
She
man.
came all the way from Parkland to see you. She's one of the doctor's assistants that goes to Sunrise as well
Okay.
as would go to my place as
Oh,
well.
oh.
But I call her.
Okay. Miss Charmin just arrived as well.
Did she?
Yeah. You're gonna see her coming in.
We think
She's
Charmaine
yeah.
was having a party and wasn't coming.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you? Oh my gosh, how are you, Donna? And Laura, good.
Yeah. Yes,
I need a hug.
Come. Of
Now that I
course.
got up, I need a hug. I love tall men.
Thank you. So good thing I'm tall, right? Because the general every time, you know. Because, yeah, man. Just alright. So make sure I'm come really early. Yeah, look at me. Welcome.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Finally.
Yes.
You know, they're inside as well. I just literally come. Got some people in there. Just not even like 5 minutes.
Oh, because
arrived.
I thought I was too early.
No.
Because you're open at 5.
Oh, they open at 5, but you know we open the place here early, so it's open already. So big up yourself.
Big up
man.
yourself, Kina, finally. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Come so close. So near. I always
near.
wanted to meet you anyway.
Yeah, for the last time, we never get to meet her, right?
No, I mean, no.
just by a minute, we didn't miss each other because at the
Oh, at
event.
the barber shop.
Yeah.
First time you came. Yeah.
Where were you at that time?
I was at home.
Oh, I saw it late.
Yes.
I like a
So
little
yeah,
camera.
I just got that camera.
Just when? Oh, it's recording.
It is?
Yeah, it was recording.
Oh my goodness.
So it was recording all the time.
Oh my god.
So you want to do it back over?
I don't know how to do it.
Oh boy.
Probably when I put it on my Hi, I'm fine. My name is Whitney.
Hi, Whitney. You're a YouTuber too?
Yes, I am. Actually, a small one. No.
You're going to be big one
Yeah,
of
of
these
course.
days.
One of these days.
Yes, I am trying my best to be standing out there as like, Pino. You will.
She will, you know, once.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
First time I've ever been inside here and I live right over there.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Close to home, right?
Oh my gosh.
First time.
So they open every Friday?
Yes, they're open on the weekend.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is Renee over here. So this is Renee, the founder. She's the owner.
What schedule you need?
Yeah.
You remember when Dutch
She a YouTuber as well.
moved to I was working there. Yeah. And I've never been here. No?
I am a church.
No, I don't really go. Well, I'm a Christian. But I've never really been baptized.
Yeah.
But I've never been inside here. I didn't know it was.
Like this.
Yeah.
Last night,
Yeah.
we could go on Friday night.
So like for me, was something I'm going here so now we can come and hang out.
Of course. You pop up.
Yeah, me take off this costume. It all get chilly.
Yeah.
I
Yes.
can pop up anytime.
Lovely. So you know we have to big up Renee, you know the thing
More love.
every
You don't
time.
know what time it is.
More love.
Alright.
So we always appreciate everything, you know. So Renee, it was a pleasure to be here again once more. You know, I would thank you guys so much, you know. So we're early. So you know, so it's good to be early than late, right?
As long as we're early, we're surely.
Alright, early with Shirley. And so I go up on TV. Actually, 1, 2, much TV? 4. So we have Kino 1. Yeah. So you have over here, so you have Key to Life on TV 1. See there you have Key to Life on TV 2. Yeah. And over here you have Keynote 3. You know. Keynote 3. Over here you have Keynote 4. You know. Keynote is all over the place. Trenchtown. Sure. One Trenchtown in the building. It's a Trenchtown.
Batteries.
Guys, hold on there. Hello.
Kino family.
Hello.
Hi, Kino.
Welcome.
I'm Yvonne. This my niece.
Hello,
Maya.
Nisi. Maya. Welcome. Hello. Welcome. Come. Miss Charmaine. You know Miss Charmaine. Everyone know Miss Charmaine, right? Miss Charmaine over there.
Yes, we're family.
One family. So you're from Trenchtown?
Yeah, 11 Fish Street. Does that ring a bell?
5th Street?
11 Fish Street.
Me, I'm from 3rd Street.
Yeah?
Yeah.
From 11 Fish Street, Alton Ellis.
Yeah, Ellis.
No, not Ellis, but
Your family.
Yeah, Noel Ellis, Blacker Ellis.
Gee, I know who's watching. Georgia Ellis.
Georgia!
She always watch Georgia Ellis.
Georgia!
Always watching.
Thanks for going and checking on my uncle years ago. You know, he eventually passed, but thank you. She walked to go look for my uncle.
Yeah?
Because
Big up Georgia Ellis. You know, she's
Georgia.
always watching as well too. Christopher Ellis.
Chris.
You know, Chris as well too.
Blacker.
And Rosa
Aston.
Rose. Okay, Rosa Rose is Noel. Rosa Rose.
Hey, last year when I went to the Christmas street, as I see him jump on it, it said donkey ride.
Yeah. Rosa Rose, lock it back. Oh,
but I'm just coming from Trenton. I have the lady that did the toy drive at the Ambassador Theatre and 2 churches. Yeah, it was featured in the cleaner.
Wow.
You saw it? Yeah.
Thank you
some
so
Robertson green.
Finally to meet the bloodline. You know, the bloodline from Trenchtown.
Meaning to meet you, man, because I want to tell you, fantastic work, impact. You know, because if we can make change, one life, all it takes is one. Yeah, but I'm proud. I'm so proud of where I'm from.
Of course.
Because growing up, you say you're from Trenchtown, but even now, and that stigma is there. And so I suffered with that for a long time.
Yeah.
So now, any platform I'm on, I'm going to tell you.
Represent.
I am from Trenchtown.
Representing.
Yeah, man. I spoke to the kids, and that's what I'm telling. Even the parents, you got to pour into the kids, pour into them. You know.
That's where you from.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, you have to.
You have to
be proud of where you're from, who you are, who you is, and represent everybody around. Yeah.
Of course.
Represented. Certainly. So
It's nothing but love, man.
very, very, very thankful and proud of a young person like you. You could have not been doing anything else, but you choose to look after your brothers and your sisters right there. It's fantastic. And I've been meaning to meet you for a long time. So I had so many things to do today, but when she told me, we grew up together. When she told me that he's here, I dropped everything. I said, I gotta come here and meet him.
I was like you. Because
she's just like the same as well.
Yeah, because I'm always tuning in. And I saw he posted saying that he's gonna be here in Sunrise. I'm like, oh my God, I always wanted to meet Kino, so this is the opportunity, so I'm gonna take it.
And it so happened I was just in Trenchtown. I was just in Trenchtown.
So while you were in Trenchtown, I was here.
Yes, we were at the Ambassador Theatre, and then we went to 2 churches there, and big up, you know, the Optimist Club. And they're doing a good job there too. Wonderful job there, you know. And they help me. They're on my legs on the ground. So I send the things down, they arrange it, they make sure it's distributed and all that. And I don't worry about where it's going. I've never been the one to worry about where it's going.
Trust him. Yeah, man.
Yeah, you don't have to.
I don't worry about it.
And God is in
I wouldn't
control.
worry anyway.
Yes.
You know, because God is in control.
God is in
and if you're going to
control.
take from somebody that's needed, that's on you.
Exactly, because
It's on you.
you're gonna pay.
Yeah, that's on you.
Okay.
Okay, I say I could not miss this for nothing.
Nothing, right?
I could not miss this because when you were here the first time by the
Sunrise.
sunrise,
Center, yeah.
I watched it right through the whole time, and I said, I ain't gonna miss it this
Of course,
time.
and I'm so glad.
So I had to take her with me because I'm always watching you and Mix Up Boss.
Okay, yeah.
So I'm like, okay, this is it.
Of course. So tell me what you like about the program.
Very interested, and I like what you guys been doing.
Yeah,
You're doing a very, very good job.
Yeah.
That's all people supposed to work. If you decide to do it, you do it the right way to help your country.
Of course.
Right? And I appreciate it. I'm a born Jamaican.
Okay.
I used to live in Tivoli Garden.
Yeah. So you're down the road.
Down the road,
Where you
yeah.
come from? Down the road. Tivoli Garden, right?
Yeah, and my brother is her dad.
Okay. Nisi. Your Nisi. Welcome.
To Cranberry.
Yeah. Cranberry, right? Well, everyone's loving cranberry.
I love her. Oh my God!
And
I was telling you the little ones them jump the
The river. Yeah. Cranberry. I'm telling you.
The only
Coco
one that's
Loco.
Coco Loco.
Coco Loco. That's her, man. And she.
Wow! And what's her name?
Chuan.
No, not the one of the girls. Them on the dream team.
Esther.
Esther.
Big up
wow.
Esther. Wow, chef.
Esther, wow, chef, and with the dread name.
Rasta Jackson.
Rasta Jackson and boom. Bless up.
Yes, every time.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, hear that? Whoa, chef, Rasta Jackson, and boom, the whole members them big up on themselves. We out here. Hello, surprise, Susie. What a surprise! We got Susie in the building. Susie in the Happy New Year, man.
Same to you.
Happy New Year. Welcome, Susie. Right, smelling good. What's that, Chanel?
Versace, right?
Versace. Hey. That is the Versace there.
And Susie was speaking. Thanks for coming. Come on, let's see. Okay, introduce yourself. These are all subscribers. And they're from Trenchtown. No, we don't.
Come, man. Come, Susie, here. We're around here. Come.
Come on. This is Donna.
Yeah.
Come on. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. Come on.
But I'm in the middle here.
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, how are you?
Because this is what we will walk away with. The fact that now we have relationship.
Yes.
And it's Kina is the main subject of all of us coming together. Yes. So we're going to exchange contact numbers. Yes. And as I said, we're starting to build the team who will be going to Jamaica the first weekend of November. Yes, because it's now going to be annual. Okay? Yes. You don't have to be a nurse. You can be in any field we want you. Because we have so many people we can do.
Manners, big up yourself, Come greet the ladies there, man. Say hello to the ladies then.
I'm Charmaine. We are
Yeah.
Number 876.
Yeah, 793
Come on over.
3921. Yeah. Michael.
Yeah, I'm Susie.
See there. Welcome, man. General, look up yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
One Michael there, man. You know. See the man them over here shoot out. You know. Part of 5 special over here going on. You know. You know. Out and bad. At least we're early. We never leave. Yeah. Of course, after one come back.
She have a sister, right?
Oh, Miss Charmaine?
Yes.
Miss Charmaine. Miss Charmaine, she's asking if you have a sister.
Pardon me?
She's asking if you have a sister.
Rose.
Rose, no. My sister.
That's when I went to Jamaica together.
Oh, Rosemite. Rosemite. Yeah, we all say we are sisters because we have the same cause, yes. So it was Rosemite, Kimberly.
She look like her.
Yeah, May.
Yeah.
We're sisters. Come on now. We share the same cause. So it was Kimberly, Darla, Rose, Mite, Elsie, Patricia.
Yeah.
And who else? But Joan.
Joan.
Yes, yes.
Darla.
I'm gonna need
Darla.
And Darla.
Yeah.
Yes.
because the reason why I'm gonna need your number, I'm gonna get some stuff together for Cranberry and her sisters.
Very good. Very
Right?
good.
And I'm gonna need the actual size.
Yes.
Okay.
Because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start getting them as of next month.
Yes.
Yes, I can get them together and get them to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
I live in Coral Springs.
Great. So we're right there. Yes. So let me give you my number.
Yes.
And
Because
this my chauffeur.
that's your phone. All right. Get out your phone.
Yeah. That is the connection. As soon as we miss me, I have to come back so quick.
And
You know,
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, it was on Friday, yeah. It was
You're out
under the weather. I was supposed to go last night, but
Oh,
I didn't even go.
under the weather. You feel better now?
Yes, I'm feeling that now. No flu.
No flu. I walk.
I'm good.
She's good. Susie is good now, man, you know? Yeah, man, thank you, Simi, for the effort, for coming out.
Yes,
You
my
know?
pleasure, definitely.
Of course, you know, once Tina is here, we don't have to
So
let
you
it
were
go.
in New York? How was it? Icebox, right?
Icebox. Come love the icebox, though. No?
Yes, so yesterday I didn't get up. I peeked out and feel it, and I went right back
Right
in.
back in.
I come out until now.
Yeah, because yesterday was a bit chilly, you know?
Yeah, yesterday. Chili, that's cool for
That's-
us.
yeah.
You so-
I
Wow,
was
we're
feeling
Jamaica.
nice. No, we love the icebox.
No.
Yes, that one. Oh, you going outside? Yeah, we love the icebox, though. No. You get cold?
Yes.
Alive.
You start to feel a little bit cold here.
Ready? No, man. Come give your YouTube channel a shout out.
Oh, guys, you can always subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is It's Whitney. That's HITWITNEY.
Yes.
Like Whitney Houston, but there's a It.
Yes.
ITWHITNEY. Guys, go ahead and subscribe. Big up on yourself.
Of course, because I know once them hear the It's With Me, them always see that name in the comment section.
Exactly.
Also.
I'm in a little red
And she's
dress
a little-
in Kino
Yeah.
comment section.
Yeah, so she's always there. It's Whitney.
Yes.
You know, Whitney Houston sister. You know. Oh, that. I see the big day there. Are you a place that Susie? You so take over the TV then. 1, 2, 3, 4 TV. You take over all the TV. Feel welcome, you know. You're incoming if you want to drink anything. All that here. Tonight.
It's in 5 cities. We're in North Lauderdale, Lauderhill, Miramar, Pembroke Pines. And I've been trying for 3 years to get it entrenched down. But finally, this year, December, when I went down, we're talking, you know. And it's so funny because while I was there, I got a call after the trip Kung Fu for the Poor connection there.
They
And they said
that's what I needed to be hooked up with it.
and
Food
they
for the
said
poor.
they
Yes.
said to me, the cleaner company is going to call you. By the time I hung up the phone, the cleaner company was on the line. So that's how I did the interview, and that's and out of that, some connections. But I've been at this for a while, plowing at this, because when I was a kid, I used to run around, which I tell the kids, barefooted in trench. I lived at 11th Street, Alton Ellis, Blacker, all of those. We grew up together. And I remember many times when I went for an interview and I say Trench Town, you are dismissed before you're looked at.
Before you're looked at.
Okay?
Yeah, it's true. That's true.
Yes, you're dismissed. And so I know the feeling, and that is why I'm so passionate about it. Because we have to pour into our children for them to know. Do not allow anyone to judge you by your circumstance.
Yes.
Do not. Okay? And you're not less than. You are enough.
Yes.
And we have to tell our children that. So every time I meet with these kids, that's the message I'm giving. And I was so glad for the opportunity to meet with the congregation there, because I was able to say, mothers, dads, that's your responsibility. To pour into these children, and let them understand the importance of reading, because they play these games and stuff. That's fine, but there has to be a balance. So my heart.
But you know what? What is so profound is that you're a product.
Hello.
You went back, because here's a young man who took this course, and now now we are going to collaborate.
Hello. Nice to meet you. Very nice to meet
If you want to see Spence more, we had a meeting and stuff. So I'm the treasurer. He's the president. He's gonna be next in line.
Oh, so you're from the Kiwanis, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Miss Rami.
Yes.
Sorry to cut you. This is one of the Kiwanis here.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
Spence Normal.
Oh, okay. Hi. Thank you ever so much, man.
This is the president-elect. He's coming in. For
He just okay. Yes, the Kiwanis. Wow. We have collaborated very well. Yes. For this noble cause.
Yes.
And I'm meeting. She's from Trenchtown, Miss Pauline is from Trenchtown, and they have already started working in Trenchtown. So now we're just going to collaborate, to make it bigger. So the first week in November, we're going down for the second and we're asking subscribers if they know of anyone you can be in the healthcare field or non-clinical, because we need help. We would like this to continue in Trenchtown, that we can have it as a twice a week to have a clinic there, because there is the need. So if you're in any industry, pharmaceutical, whatever, we need help. And locally in Jamaica, we're also asking for the clinicians down there, those big corporations. We need help. We need help when we get down there, because we're coming from here, and we're limited, so we need some help, the support, transportation, simple thing as transportation, accommodation, 4 Seasons. Oh my God, that hotel was so good. 4 Seasons gave us a very good discount, but with the group, we're coming with a bigger group, so we're going to need more help. And God bless Kina. Kina literally arranged all of our transportation while we were there.
It was my pleasure,
And Carol from the Kiwanis Club in Jamaica, we thank you and your group. They gave us a beautiful reception the Saturday afternoon. We really had fun. And we were only 2 Jamaicans from the group. The others who actually came along, they were from other countries. Yes. So we want to continue this movement.
Definitely.
Too
Definitely.
much is given, much is expected.
Q1 is from Sunrise that went on that trip.
No,
Yeah.
but
They're in Jamaica.
No, they didn't literally go, but they were the one. Carice. She was the one. Carell, sorry. She was the one. She's now in Lauderdale, I think. Lauderdale. Yes, I think she is. Yes, I think she. But she's the one that I got a connection to reach out to her, and she coordinated us with Karen. From work or during New York Presbyterian.
New York.
We had little hiccups, but we got it.
But this is the connection more and more, you know?
Yes.
More and more.
Once you're involved and those communities and stuff, then you'll get that support.
Exactly.
Yeah.
There's always hiccups in the first go.
Exactly.
The second go around, you should be fine because now it's going to be a regular thing.
Yes.
And they should be able to assist you.
So right now we're at
One, right?
One. So if we can one, which I told them last couple weeks ago when I was there, if we can get one, all, then it will be worth it.
Yes.
All the while, all the hassle, all everything about Cranberry and our
I know. Yeah.
who needs a motorized, Miss Grace,
Miss
right?
Gracie, yeah.
Miss Gracie, I would say she's like 350 for the size.
She's more oversized, you know, so she need a big one.
We sat
She
down
have a lot of weight, you know.
So we got a brand new wheelchair, but she told us, and it was oversized, but she said, so
Our weight is,
she needs a So we're asking if there's any subscriber or subscribers who would like to donate or assist in donating a motorized wheelchair to accommodate like 350 pounds.
Yeah.
We would really like that for her. Okay?
It have to be really big, you know, because that wheelchair, it did work, but you see our weight is making it mash up right now, because she's really, really overweight.
So the motorized would be better for her. We did, Donna was the one who donated the motorized wheelchair.
Okay, for Damari.
For Damari.
Yes.
Donna was the one who donated it.
Wow.
So, yes. So we, as I've said,
Work in progress.
and if few of us can just work together, you may know some of them, so we're plowing along.
My name was Ferguson. I'm gonna end up. My teacher is my favorite teacher was Gloria Lewis. She's a commissioner in Lauderdale.
You're gonna play?
Yes,
let's
play.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I heard. Owner. She's the founder of the R&D Sports Pub, which is our extended family also, I'm going to tell you, the gratitude, it's a must, because she never left us out, and she gave us that hospitality, yeah man, you can come on down and do it here, no problem. Is that the first? The first Peter and Greet was here, remember?
Yes.
The first one. First time, and we're here again, so it's going to be more time,
Many more to come.
Many more to come, man. Renee.
Anytime.
Yeah.
So all you need is just a phone call.
That is it. Just a phone
That's
call.
it there. I postpone my venue tonight.
Yeah.
We accommodate you.
Wow.
Sometimes money is not everything.
It's not about money is not everything.
We need in life is life. Without life, there is nothing.
Nothing at all.
Yeah,
just come in, trust me, that's so true. Tell them again what you say. More, you repeat that again.
No, you don't know. I am personal.
Yeah.
So I'm going to say, without life, there's nothing. All we need is life. You know how much people go on them bed last night and no electricity today? I'm right here.
I'm right
I have
here.
everything.
That is 100% accurate. All we need is life. And we appreciate life, Hello.
Hello.
Nice
How are you?
meeting
Happy
you.
New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
What? Oh, Rudy. Rudy don't fear no boy. Rudy don't fear. Thank you so much to be here, man. Wow, this place looking splendid. Sure, you lot coming alright out, you know, the sunrise team is out, you know. Yes. Anybody sick here, not feeling well, the nurses them is here. They are here and they're out, you know. So everything is good, right?
Yes.
That's nice, nice. I like the look. And need anything to drink, ladies? John, anything to drink? We have the bar there. Anything you want to drink, you just say.
Yeah,
you know?
I'll have a glass of wine.
Of course. Of course. Renee.
Huh?
What you drinking? What you drinking? Are you drinking anything? So, Renee.
Yes. So, I think you should really go speak with Donna and
Donna.
thank her for the chair, the motorized wheelchair that went.
Yeah, oh finally, I didn't know it was you. I just, oh, thank you so much for that wheelchair. Damari, I hope you're watching, Damari. Damari, if you're watching, this is Dana who donated the motorized wheelchair for you.
Anything, baby.
That is it. We thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
Wow, that's such a blessing.
You're
That's
a
such
blessing.
a blessing. Thank you so much.
And everything you do is an absolute blessing.
Yeah.
And I'm so privileged to meet you.
Oh, yeah. It's a pleasure, man. It's a pleasure
Mine too.
for you to help me out, you know. Sure. Oh gosh, the love is
I told you
real.
I love tight, tall guys.
Hey, guys, she love tall guys, you know. So she have to be tipping, you know.
Well, I like to be on my tiptoes.
Yeah, she's tipping up, you know. That's it, man. The love is real, guys. The love is so real, you know.
Absolutely.
It's nothing but love, you know.
Thank you.
I'm looking forward to putting more work together. You know?
Absolutely, it was wonderful meeting you, and I can't wait for November to come down and help.
Woo! We're gonna have a full house in Trenchtown,
Absolutely.
boy. Well, Rasta Jackson, the ladies' name is coming. You know, it's a tall Rasta, you know, very tall.
As long as they're tall.
From them tall, Jackson, very tall, you know. Thank you so much for the wheelchair,
Thank you,
man. We
sweetie.
cannot
I'm
stop
so
thanking
glad to
you,
meet
man.
you.
We cannot stop thanking
And I
you.
can't wait to watch your stuff.
Of course, they're gonna see it all, man. Thank you guys for coming out, you know.
They'll see your face with
The young lady, your assistant, the young
Esther.
lady. Esther.
Esther.
Let me tell you, she is phenomenal.
Cheers.
Oh my gosh.
Esther, come on.
Esther is phenomenal.
She pray for joke movement, right?
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna give you something for her.
Of course.
She's phenomenal.
Send out your love to her because she's watching.
Esther,
right now.
you are phenomenal. You know, you're doing a fantastic job, and we love and appreciate you.
Thank you so much.
Blessings, blessings.
Blessing. Which way would be better?
Very good, very good. Okay, we're going to take a
solid wall because with the mirror in the back.
Yeah, so this side of the wall, right? Well, guys, such a blessing, you know. It's really, really such a blessing to get the turnout, you know, and there's other people coming down and everything. So it's such a blessing, you know, for all my lovely subscribers, you know, for giving the support, you know. Thank you so much. Who could get to make?
But I have the real thing.
Thank you so much. You know, it's nothing but love and love alone.
Joanne,
Love alone.
I love that.
Wow, it's just a blessing, guys. I'm telling you, the love, the support, and the share. God is amazing, you know. God is really, really amazing.
Have a bag, she said.
Very teary.
Getting tear, right?
We are going to
It's
make
the love.
sure all of those kids in Trenchtown will have someone that they can relate to.
Yes.
And
Yes.
that will adopt them, to help them, to talk with them. They have somebody they can call.
Yes,
You know?
true.
And we love you guys so much, and we miss you. Yes, we really miss you.
Come here
But the
soon.
team is going to be bigger this year. It's going to be a
Better,
bigger team. And
better.
a better team.
Yeah?
Yes.
And bigger and better.
But he helped her set our YouTube up, and she subscribed to him, so now she can watch.
So she'll watch all of that.
Yes. It's going to be bigger and better.
Yes.
Oh, no, I will watch all those videos.
Oh,
Of
you will?
course.
Oh, are you kidding?
All right, one sec. I'm heading back to New York on Friday.
Okay.
With Empress. I like her. I do
Empress.
like her.
The Empress. The Empress is in New York.
Yes, I
Yeah.
watched your last visit up there.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
follow you.
Yeah. You like Empress, right?
I like Empress.
Yeah, she's
She's
natural.
good for you.
She's good.
She's trying to hook you up?
She's trying to hook me up.
But she's good. she's a good girl. You could just see she's got these eyes, and she's good to him.
She really support me while I'm there. You know, she's such a good friend. You know. But you know, once anyone is next to me in the video, they're gonna put us together and them thing, you know. And
You think I
know you watch. Look, there's Oliver and Carla.
I love it.
There's Oliver and Carla. Oliver, Miss Charming, they're over there. Hey, Oliver and Carla. Yes, you're there, Dana.
Yes. So
finally,
Donna was leaving.
Uncle.
Yes.
Hello.
Donna was leaving.
Uncle.
So we're just gonna take
Uncle is here, guys. Uncle is here. Trust me. That's Dana. Finally. Carla. Hey.
I was sharing with her the story when you give them the trip.
Wow.
Let me tell you, I cried when I
Thank you. Here's Oliver and Carla.
I'm Yvonne. How you guys doing? Okay, so let's
Come on, guys. Come on.
So this is the famous
Oh, the boss.
This is Carla.
How you doing, man?
Yeah. Yes. Come meet Oliver. Come, Oliver. Them are going to pay things on the table over there, and I'm telling them, say, waiting for you to come.
Oh, you mean the
Yeah. And them say that, let him come, man, let Oliver come. That one, the red t-shirt, is like, make him come, man, let him come. You know?
Yeah,
Aye. Yeah. Come on, guys, again. Come, Renee. Susie, come. Let's meet. This is Carla. That everyone now is talking about. And that's Oliver here. Everyone now. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yes. Sunrise nurse.
Oh, you're one of the nurses?
Yes, she's one of the nurse. Just, well, and everyone says cold. Come on, the team see Carla, them going like, whoa, Carla. And the team singing, them like, whoa, you know. So happy to see you, so happy. Real big man.
Yes, sir.
He's a real big man.
Carla, you remember this guy?
You remember me, Carla?
Right? Remember little kid we used to travel around with?
I know, imagine that, guys.
Now he's traveling the world.
You know what, the blessings rub off from Oliver and Carla and to me and to everyone, you know. It's just a blessing, man. The dream team. When prefects see this, they say, yo, I go on the father and mother for dream team, you know. The father and mother, man. I know everyone be praying for you, you know, recovery. I'm telling you. Guys, I told you, Oliver is a fighter. You know, he's a lion. See, they always up fighting. Oh, come Eva, come. You have to do it again. Come Eva.
Hi, how are you?
Mo, hello Mo, what are you doing? What time is this?
You know, I went to church.
I know, that's what I heard. You went to church. That's went to church. Alright, come. Yeah, come on again. Come, General. Hello. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
General. Big up, man. Everything Yeah.
You look tall, man.
I'm a shoes. Guys, I'm not tall. It's the shoes. Whenever I wear the shoes, I got inches. Yeah.
Only more than one.
Yeah. Let's go.
Dream team, one team.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. One general in the dance. One team. Alright, one general in the dance. And the shoes, guys, the shoes have inches. You know, so make me grow a little bit more, you know. Thank you so much for coming out, man. You know, thank you so much. Is there anything you want to say?
Well, I always watch your video. I love your video. Keep doing what you're doing. You know what I want to ask you? Cranberry. Where Cranberry live?
Why?
Where you
That's
call
what-
that place?
Off Gardentown Road.
Oh, okay.
You know Gardentown, right?
Yes.
Okay. Come, let's meet Charmaine. Come over here. Come. Meet Charmaine already. The nurse. That's my mommy.
Oh, the nurse.
Yes. It's Charmaine. Hello, that's her there. That's her there.
Oh my God, look at family.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
That's
The same cause.
the same cause.
Yes.
I want picture with you and Carla. And
Okay, Oliver. Yes, they need a picture with us.
Okay.
Yeah. Come, Miss Charmaine.
Yes, we're family, of course.
Come on, Carla.
Kiwanians, we need you. Okay, got it.
We said cheese or nothing?
cheese?
You don't like cheese?
Cheese. 2025. 2025 now.
Yeah. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. It's a blessings, man.
Gesture is just
I saw you at World Trade Center.
Oh, that's it. That's your old home. Oliver was living on the 5th floor, guys.
No. I went to college across the street from here.
Oh yes, you said the place will change up, right?
Oh, it's so much different. I mean, it was nice, but now after the whole blowing up of the building, it changes a lot. I used to work at John Street. You know, Wall Street is not far from there, right?
I was asking for Wall Street, you know, because I
Wall
didn't
Street.
go there.
You see where you were at the World Trade?
Yeah.
If you go back to Broadway and go across,
Wall Street.
you're right in the exchange. That's where all the trading around the world takes
That's where
place.
everything happened.
Yeah, Jamaica Walk Night.
Yeah.
Yeah, they collaborate.
Yeah.
Jamaica Walk Night.
Yeah, man, that's my brother.
Hilarious.
Yeah, man, he's my brother, man.
Was that? I think you said you saw first from
Oh,
Jamaica.
sorry,
No, Randy.
Bye.
Oh, Randy. Randy is with now Jamaica.
No, Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica.
Yeah, Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica Good
Jamaica.
See them up soon.
Yeah, Jamaica Good Life. It's Jamaica Good Life. Yeah, this is. What's up? Sure. Good now, pause.
My friend Mo wants to talk about her business.
Yeah. Yes. All right. Let's do that. You want to talk about the queue? You say? Yeah? Till Friday I'm heading back to New York.
Oh, nice. In
Yeah.
the cold, you're going to be freezing.
I was there. That's where I'm coming from.
Oh, that is? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, my
So
God.
I love the cold.
Is it snow? Oh.
I love it. I was born in New Zealand. No, I'm joking. I'm joking, but I love the cold though. Seriously, I love the cold. I don't know about you guys, I love it. You ready? Okay, let me take a photo. Who's not in frame? Not in frame over there. Come right in the middle. Come right in the middle, right there. Can't come in the middle a little bit. Renee, you have to come around to a little bit.
Renee knows our position.
Girl.
Yeah. So make sure say everyone in frame from left to right. Alright, we look good now.
Yes.
Counting. Dream team.
1G.
Alright, so that one is in. That one is in. Yeah. Yeah, man, that one fits. Alright. So see you guys again when I see you. Thank you so much.
Nice to see you again.
When I go down?
We're gonna eat seafood to celebrate my birthday.
Why not invite me?
You have it on meet and greet next
Well, you could have waited till after. Sure. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's such a blessing to have everyone out. You know, such a blessing.
And people.
Yeah. The great Oliver and Cutler. I told her to tell us when you do that for the team, that's like a lifetime thing you live on, you know. Trust me, that will live on. Oh, over there. That will live on.
Yes.
How's the light looking?
Let me get your. I'm sorry.
Josie.
Josie. Oh, you're Josephine in the comments.
Yeah, but most time, you know, just stay back.
Oh, watch you are going. Yeah. Sure.
People love it so much, they have to do something against crime.
Yeah. Well, that would be great. And one more, that would be great. You know, that would be the banger. One more. Ava.
Kino, can we ask if you want to get a picture with you?
Of course, for sure. Kiwanians.
Okay, alright.
Oh, so what's your name?
My name is Moline.
Moline.
Yes.
You like related?
That's my best friend.
You know, when two persons together too long, they kind of
Look alike.
So that's what's going on right here a bit, you know.
Yeah.
She got the sister locks.
She got a sister locks. Okay, I'm gonna get my brother locks.
You gonna get
I'm get the brother locks soon, you know. Yes, it's the way right now.
Yes,
Everyone's getting
the
sister.
way.
I'm getting my brother locks next. You know.
Nice.
So tell me something about yourself, man. What are you doing?
I have a online business. I'm an entrepreneur. The business is called Peculiar People Holistic. I sell like natural colon cleanser, natural soaps, natural deodorants, and everything that you need to, you know.
So you're the L2 with the L stuff.
Yes.
Wow.
And and the detox is 1 day cleanse, not 3 days,
Not 3
not
days?
7 days. 1 day just flush you out.
Just 1 day?
Yeah.
Not 2 days?
No.
So what's gonna happen in that 1 day?
In that 1 day,
Toilet?
don't go nowhere.
Toilet?
Don't even look outside.
Wow. That is powerful, man. That
Don't even look
That
outside.
is very powerful for 1 day.
Yeah.
So what is that now? That detox?
It's a cleanser. It's like moringa. It has garlic in it. It has star anise. It has like king of the forest, prickly pearl.
Because you know a lot of people are always on the hunt for those cleansers to help them, because you know a lot of people contact people in Jamaica, but they want to know that it's here as well too, you know.
It
so
is, all natural ingredients, no artificial.
You're on Instagram?
Yes.
What's the Instagram?
It's peculiar_people holistic.
So spell it for them so we can get the correct spelling and everything.
PECULIR_people PEOPLE_holistic.
So you do detoxing, what else you do?
I have natural supplements as well. I have like a GLP-1, which is very popular here in America because a lot of people are taking like the Ozempic injections to lose weight, but I have like a supplement, a capsule for people that don't want to inject themselves to lose the weight. So and I have like sea moss capsules as well. So like natural supplements that your body needs to take to build your immune system and to
diabetes, arthritis.
No, diabetes or arthritis stuff. We're trying to prevent these things because prevention is better than cure.
You got the right thing, right?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. And also this is a new brand that I'm starting. Trust God is a complete sentence. So it's in the works.
So leave a contact number just in case if someone want to call you for any information and what you do, inquire about anything. So
my Instagram is mainly like my contact information. So it's IAM_peculiar_MO.
So there's a contact number there just in case, right?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, that is nice, guys. So you see, you can call her, check out all the health benefits that you want. If you're feeling some type of way, you can also check her out, and she can give you information, anything, right?
Yes.
There's no charge for consultation, right?
Right.
There's no charge. So you can call, inquire, and she probably have to feel your need, probably feeling some type of way, you want to prevent something from happening, the immune system is a bit down, you want to build them walls up back, you can do it, right? I guess you're healthy.
Very. I guess that by the grace of God. Yes.
The grace of God, she's healthy. Wow. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Hey, so guys, so go and check her out, man. Go and check her out. So we have reasoning going on all around Carl over here, integrating. We have Gracie and everyone's family right now. We have Diana having a wonderful time.
Yes!
Finally we're here.
Here.
Why would you not have a wonderful time?
Oh, tell them again. So you so love the Cranberry family, right?
The Cranberry family? That's my family.
Of course. So you like the Cranberry family too? Say Cranberry family? Who you
Yes,
say?
I do.
Wow.
I love those girls.
Yes.
So who's your favorite as well?
You gotta pick now.
Who's your favorite?
Who's your favorite out of the Cranberry?
No, that's on the program. Who is your favorite on the program?
Who's my favorite person?
On the program, yeah.
Quite a few of them.
Quite a few.
Quite a few.
Yes.
Don't know who to choose.
Yes, it's quite a few.
I love Esther.
But,
yes.
Esther, I mean, I've already talked about Esther.
So Esther is your
is my
hot topic right now.
yes.
But ultimately, your favorite is Kino.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's why you're here. He's
I'm the
number
main-
one.
I'm the main
You're
character.
Look at you.
Yeah.
He's number one.
Yeah.
Yes, Esther. Esther is my number.
You hear her name Esther. You know, and she's brought up so good because, you know, families, she's come from a Christian family.
Yes.
So you see why she's got that name.
Yes.
And the reason why she is.
She's so dedicated
Of
to it.
course, the whole family is Christians. So that's how it goes, man.
I'm sorry. That
Yeah.
done.
All right, then let me go over here and interview some more and everything. Yes.
I don't know what this is.
Everything all right, Mikey and his family?
Yes, everything is good. Over here talking about Mo's veggie steam. The female. It's good.
You hear that? You hear that again? The Mo Veggie Steam. So,
It's not called Mo's veggie steam. That is one of her products that she has online.
yes.
You know.
So
It's really good.
I'm gonna say they
for
can
the
call,
ladies.
you know, contact her to get everything right.
Yes.
Get that, make sure say that
Absolutely.
Dora is kicking right, you know.
Yes, from top to
The
bottom.
bedroom is fine, you know.
Oh my goodness.
Woo, you know what? I don't want to get everyone started right now. Okay, you know me already, you know. Yeah, it's too much for me to say. Okay, I know when I'm ready, I'm ready. You know,
I know.
Yeah, you know when I'm ready. So contact, man, contact.
Yeah,
you know.
definitely reach out, check her out online.
Yes, they got her contact info.
Yes, wonderful. So you know where that's coming from. You know, you have to experience it to know it, right, my general? So them say. So them know what's going on. When I take over the whole pub, look at the TV. You know, I'm on the foot. One team, man. Yes, man. So who's one of your favorite on the program?
Rasta Jackson.
Rasta Jackson.
Listen, I love Rasta Jackson.
Waistline Jackson.
Y'all need to see Rasta Jackson dance.
Hey.
I love Rasta Messi.
Okay, boom.
Pick up yourself.
Boom.
Love. Can't wait to meet you.
Yeah.
Love your smile. Keep smiling. See my
Everyone
shirt?
talk about boom smile, you know. Everyone.
Big up yourself, Esther.
Yeah.
She's been in the program. I miss Prefect.
Yeah,
I miss seeing Prefect. But
Yeah.
Prefect, I know you working. I miss seeing you.
Yeah.
Wow, Chef, man, you missed this New York trip, but I know you coming soon. Pick up
Definitely.
yourself.
Definitely.
Congratulations on your
Yeah.
new home.
Woo! All him want is a new wife.
Yeah.
All wife him want right now. We
When
need
you
one
take
to
your
fly
trip to
down
New
from.
York.
Yeah?
Yes.
Say one can't fly from up here, go down there.
Well, he got to check out the person that said they have the visa hook up. It's not me. Also, we share the same color. I love blue. He loves blue, but it's still not me.
Chelsea blue.
Chelsea blue. Yeah.
You know, Man U, look at my color, red. You know, representing United we stand. You know, because divide we fall. You know, so that's why I say, Man U. You see me, Manchester, we united. You know,
Absolutely.
Tell him again, my general. We united we stand. Manchester support? Oh, so if you like blue, you should like red.
But I like blue.
You like blue?
That much like a different color.
Yeah.
Blue is my color. Yeah.
Everybody on the team, Happy New Year to y'all. So, you know, just wishing you all the best for the year.
Yes.
Blessings, health, wealth, strength, everything.
Yeah.
You know? So
Yeah, man. So we're looking forward to doing so many works with the Kiwanis, you know. There's a lot gonna happen. Was she on the meeting?
Yes.
You were there, right?
Yes.
Okay. So
I was the one who said that we need to get a project like put out together what is it that we need to do and to start from somewhere because we can't just be everywhere.
Yeah.
We have to see what it is that you're doing and then we zone in and say, okay, we're gonna start here and help you because if we go into different areas, you're into a lot of things.
Yeah.
But we need to zone into an area we can help you more and then we branch out into other things to make it, you know, become a bigger event.
Of course.
So I'm saying we need to see where we are, see where we can help.
Of
Because
course.
we do a lot of help here. But help is never enough.
Yes, it's never enough.
Reaching across the rivers, the ocean, and everything.
You're going to church? Oh, so I know I'm going to get some prayer now. You know, guys, I'm not a giant because everyone around me, they're short.
And I am extra short.
And she's extra short. So, you know,
So it was nice meeting up with you guys.
yeah, trust me, such a
So
blessing.
you take care and continue doing what you're doing. Okay?
I will.
God is on your side.
Thank you so much.
You're a wonderful person. Okay? All right.
You got prayer when you reach church. You know, I'm waiting for that.
All right.
Thank you so
Remember,
much for coming. Yes, thank you so much for coming out. Yeah?
You're welcome. And my niece said to tell you nice meeting you. She outside.
Oh, she outside. All right, no problem. All right, then, you know, it was a pleasure meeting you. You know, General, I'm going to visit the country one of these days for sure. Yeah? Oh, my phone, one sec. Yeah. Thank you for the drink, right? Thank you so much, man.
A young man was decided to dedicate his life to service, and that is so important.
Thank you, man.
And God is going to continue to bless you in the work that you're doing.
Yeah.
It's going to be okay.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Much love and blessings to you.
Thank you so much, man. God bless you, man. God bless you, and thank you so much for coming out.
Okay, my darling.
You know?
Take care.
Thank you so much.
Much love. Love you, man. Love you. Okay.
What am I missing over here? Yeah.
I'm just realizing she's a super fan. She's
Yeah?
a super fan. She knows about
She
all
knows
the
as
videos.
much
She watches
as
everything.
Renee does.
Yeah? Wow.
Only one. You know?
Yeah. So she know about the diamond fish? You know about the diamond fish?
Yes.
Oh.
Diamond fish.
Okay.
The plant, the garden.
Okay. Oh, she know she don't miss everything. She's the number one. Wait, you need to try the food, you know, that trust me.
Okay.
Oliver is a top tier. I'm not saying that because it's here. Trust me.
Okay.
So out of this world, you know. I'm telling you.
Yes.
Listen, only for the no, could I make Oliver bring at least a finger, you know. So once something come, I make you try. Trust me.
That's right. So you're quite aware that the stew that he makes.
Yeah.
The peas.
The black bean stew.
The black bean stew.
The black bean stew.
The oat dumpling.
Oh, I know the black beans come from Oliver, right? The first time, and then bring it to Jamaica. That is true. The black beans.
Started, adding all of the flavors.
Of course.
So that's the stew you gotta try.
And it become the number one. Everyone's talking about the black beans stew, the black beans stew, the black.
Yeah, because you cooked it for Needham.
Yeah, of course. And then everybody love it.
Yes, your number before.
Everybody love it.
Vegetarian, all this kind of stuff. So I said, you need to add some more beans.
Yeah.
Some more protein, yeah.
He said, my mom gave me the black bean. I didn't know what to do with it.
Yeah.
I'm like, let me show you.
That's right.
And that day when he done it, trust me, everyone was going crazy for it.
Wow.
when we did it up in the
Yeah, all over on the farm. Everyone was going crazy. But from what that day, black beans straight.
I was trying to tell her we need more beans.
You love it, black beans, right?
You have a super fan.
Of course.
We have a lot of us.
She's a super
We have
fan.
a lot of us. So you have to fill me in.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want.
She's a super fan too.
Yeah. Yeah. She know everything what's going on, boy.
That's right. Every time of day. 2 a.m.
Yeah.
4 a.m. 5 a.m.
She's still up.
What happened with Esther?
Yeah.
I can tell you.
I guess.
What happened?
I tell you what, she can't cross the river.
That's right.
Esther can't cross the river.
Every day.
Yes. Nice meeting you. You know.
And I have to grab another point.
All of them.
Thank you so much for
Oh my
coming
God.
out.
They
Okay.
don't
Keep in
forget.
touch.
Even
Yes,
when they
we
say
will,
thanks,
we will.
if somebody
Thank
said
you so
something, they remember to mention.
Oliver, she's going, right?
Yes.
All right.
God bless. Yeah, God bless. God bless.
You know what get me sometimes? A couple of my friends. All of you like my own father.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And big up.
Yeah, well, go on. Hold on, I'm turning to you.
I'm like, but you know what?
It took her forever to get used to it.
Hold on. That's right.
What good
Can
feeling.
I hear? How does it feel to meet Oliver and
Oh my
Carla?
God.
Because she always talk about you guys, you know. She always
I
talk.
said, Oliver and Carla, I said, when Kino told me today that you guys were coming, I
gets
was
so
just
excited.
So excited. Because I said, I need to meet them in person. Because I know you're sharing the same passion, the same vision. And I'm just so forever grateful that, you know what? We have good people in this world
Yeah.
who is ready to take up the cause of helping each other.
You know, some of the closest people we know right now, interact with every day. We met them because they saw us on the show. I remember I came from Jamaica and we went to a trip, we took them out, and I came back and I'm exhausted. She said to me, before we go home, remember we got to pick up something at Home Depot.
Yeah.
Dragon Diner and all this.
Oliver and Carla! That's it, everybody. Oliver and Carla.
Carla, yeah.
Is that you? What are you doing here?
Yeah, you know, it's just, so, you know,
Cheers. It's such a man.
and then I think when I got like 200 people, I said,
Hello. You good?
Good to see you.
Yes. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Listen,
Hello,
did
come.
you get your number? Wait.
I didn't get your number.
Come. Oh, hello.
Finally meeting you.
Wow, dream
Big
team,
up.
one team, everything go Kino Life in Jamaica, and we here.
Yes.
And we here with who?
Everything with Shan.
Everything
New
with Shan, boy.
New-
She's late, but she's here, you know?
Yes.
It's a lot of people, boy, but she's still here, guys. She's still here.
All
So
right.
pick up everything with Shan.
Yes.
And Shan alone. Nobody
All right.
else but Shan, right?
Of course.
Hey, nice to meet you, man.
Yes.
Who we have over here? Who we have over here? Hello. And you are?
Pritalia. Well, I have a YouTube channel, Live with Pritalia.
Life with Pritalia. So you see what I'm calling her Pritalia? She's pretty, she named Talia. So
Yeah.
it's Pritalia. You know, so welcome guys. So finally she's here. So it's a pleasure meeting you guys and I thank you so much for the support. Guys, just here, pick up yourself on here, Pritalia. Yes guys, so check out Pritalia, you know, on YouTube, you know. Check her out, right? Wonderful. Who is this one here?
Pritalia mommy.
Oh, this is the mommy.
Yes.
Hello, mommy. This is the mommy, Pritalia mommy. So see where the looks is coming from.
Right.
Pritalia mommy over here. So one family.
One
you know,
family.
One family, man.
Yes,
Lovely
yes,
family.
yes.
Why you guys
Nice meeting you.
This in the group picture, man. Because some people was here and they just left.
They just left. They all were so late.
So when you come so late, I'm saying 2 till 5. And you
Oh,
come in.
I didn't hear the 5. I hear 2.
Oh, you're 2 alone.
Just 2 alone.
So
Yes.
guys, I hear that them only hear 2, them hear the rest. So imagine 2 till forever.
Yes.
Right? It's 2 till forever, but at least they're here, you know?
Right.
Give me your YouTube channel and shout out, let them know.
Everything with Shan. CHAN.
So yeah, everything with Shan, so everything like what?
Lifestyle, vlogs, everything.
So everything you want, Richard, you can go over there and find out, you know. Everything you want, food cook, you want your hair comb, you want massage, you know, anything you want, take it over there. Right. You guys will
Yes. Mom and sister.
Oh, so it's pretty lady over there, so pretty Shan, pretty Tally, and pretty mommy. So I'm going to pee over here. Pure peas.
Yeah, I love the YouTubers and I love what you guys are going on with. You know, it keeps us occupied. You know, some people in the world for couscous and the crime and the violence. We love this clean tea.
Yeah, the positivity, you know?
Yes. We love that.
Good vibes.
Good vibes, yes. We love
right, Sean, what you say? That the good things there.
Yeah, man, good vibes. I love what you guys doing. You do good kino. I love you.
Yes, man.
Did have to make it today, you know?
Of course, and thank you so much, you know?
Yes.
Thank
far
you.
where I come from, you know? All the way there in the beach.
How far? 2 hours?
No, man, like for about 30 minutes or 35 minutes.
That is far. Because I'm down by Southwest. Southwest, right?
Yes, he's all the way in South. For the next couple of days, and then
I'm going Orlando tomorrow.
Orlando tomorrow to meet his.
Yes, I see you saying Orlando.
Yes.
So I'm getting down there tomorrow, right?
That's how we say we have to come today, you know, because we can't reach Orlando.
Yes, but at least I'm glad they're here, guys. So everything goes nothing but love. Yeah, man. Eva.
Yes, sir.
Nice to see you, you know?
Thank you.
With the sister locks.
I don't have the sister locks.
Yeah, the cousin locks.
Yes.
So this is the cousin locks, guys. So, you know, sister locks over there. The original one. So I need to get my brother locks.
Your brother locks.
Very soon.
She has to see the Empress, because the Empress niche.
Yes, Empress.
Oh boy.
I saw Nisha.
Yes.
Yes.
She's so cute.
Trust me.
She got the
I'm so sorry she didn't get a chance to come.
Yes.
But
Her
she
locks
comes.
is so fine.
Oh yeah, because that's sister lock.
Yeah.
That's like hers.
Yeah, let me see. I think it's a little bit finer.
No.
I should say, yes.
She is in New York.
Yeah.
I watched the video and I told him, I was like, Empress is the one.
Yes.
Like, Empress is the one.
Niece, we're saying hi to you.
love
We
her.
miss you. We are so sorry you're not able to make
Yes.
it tonight.
Yes.
Okay? So next time, yes, when Kina comes down,
Yeah.
we need to have you here in
Yes.
Florida.
Oh.
Okay?
You see?
Better yet, we'll fly you down and surprise Kino.
Wow. Okay, it's a good look.
Yes.
The Empress D. She's gonna inspire so much people to get the sister locks.
Yes. Oh my gosh, her hair.
Sister locks. Yeah. So natural, you know. Hello.
But
Okay, no problem. Come, who's take this for us, please. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I know.
It's my shoes. Guys, it's my shoe, you know. My shoes is very, I feel tall, you know. Oh yeah, give me the spelling.
Oh, it's Pritalia. So life with Pritalia.
Life with Pritalia.
Yes.
Okay, so give them your correct spelling also.
So it's everything with Shan. So it's everything with CHAN.
Okay, so the same everything where everybody can spell.
Yes.
You don't want to spell the Jamaican everything, you know.
EVERYTHINGC with WITHCHAN.
Guys, she's getting nervous. You know, they used to be pop-up same because YouTube will recognize that. So, guys, support them. Go over and support them. Go and subscribe. It's not costing nothing, you know. You subscribe. If now make you lose 1 week pay, for sure. If you not worry about your rent, it'll go pay. Right? Thank you so much, man.
Yes.
Sean, Mr. say you run out of storage.
Yes.
You need to buy storage.
You buy storage, but I don't know if it's,
Just get rid of all the files them that you don't want to use anymore. You know, and they.
I have extra storage, but I guess we don't know how to.
Oh, you have to empty the bin. Empty the bin.
Oh.
Anything you delete, go in on the photos. Anything you delete, you just get rid of it. It's better than giving them the money because you say you never want to give them the money because.
I could, but the experience is important.
Yes.
They don't even remember what you want.
Exactly. And that experience
stays forever.
Stays forever.
You know, you can say I drive by here and I see this. I don't know what it's like. For the rest of my life, I know exactly what.
Exactly, and that was the big difference that everyone always talk about. You know, 'cause if you give them the money, they spend that off within a
You
day.
can buy some clothes, some shoes, whatever, it's gone. But the experience stays with you for a lifetime.
For a lifetime.
And as long as you live, you can say, well, I've done that. I know what it's like.
Of course. That experience stays forever, you know, trust me. Me, hey, that lives forever, man. I can't, them photos cannot come up my phone for each one.
You know, the first time he came by, I said, Keita, you want 2 nights or 3? He don't know me from a hole in the wall. He's like, I'll take 2. By the second day, it's like, Oliver, can I extend? I don't know what to tell him, the room is gone.
Yeah, I'm like, Oliver, can I extend? I'm telling you, when I realized, like, wow, I need to extend.
Then he's like, you know what messed up, man? As soon as I got close to Kingston,
listen,
to go down, it started rain and the pothole. And
everything just look different.
I got hungry and I'm like, I'm going to have to feed myself.
True, because it's as soon as we come off the highway, and then you look and like, damn, you know.
I left that for this.
For this, you know. I'm thinking about when I'm going to get food right now. When I was there, and we get food like.
I didn't care about any food.
No, I never care about anything.
You have to go to the airport.
Yeah, I'm telling you, like, wow.
Every time he shows up after that,
yes,
everybody.
Yeah, man.
Enjoy yourself because it goes fast.
Make use of it, you know. We give everyone the prep talk, you know, and trust me, that trip with Natisha and the wow chef. Listen, they leave with a suitcase of food. Remember? for a week, no one have to cook. No one have to cook. Yeah, man, God is good, man. And we cannot stop thanking, man. You know, trust me, that's a big difference. Up to this day, you know, Carla, as a prefect, that's the mother and the father. You know, it surely does.
Because we knew that where you were, you wouldn't be judged from the goodness of who you are.
True.
You'd be judged from where you are.
From where you are.
So, you know, we make sure that people can see you for who you truly are. A good person, a kind person.
Yes, yes.
And they don't have to be afraid to embrace it. So,
yes.
It costs us a lot of money to do it, though.
I know, it costs an arm and a leg, you know. But it's just the giving of the art, you know. And giving up the art, because for Charmaine, she always talk about Oliver and Carla. From Miss Charmaine, from the first time she come on the phone, me and her ever spoke, she talking about Oliver and Carla.
Really?
Yeah, from the first time, for what they did and everything, you know, because that kind of got her attention more. You know, when she realized that, why people, what they would have really given up, makes people want to give. You understand? Yes.
Pretty much said the same thing.
Yes.
Keno has changed a lot. He used to be shy, remember?
Yeah. Yes, guys. Yes. I always tell them, say, yours. It's Oliver the one I'm always on camera, you know. I was like, Keno, you need to show yourself more.
You have to be the face of the show.
Yeah, why you always behind there? Show yourself more. I remember that prep talk down by, what's it called?
Columbus Heights.
Columbus. No, it wasn't Columbus side.
Yeah,
it's where the bounty killer was.
No. The first time you and Badger came over was at Columbus Heights.
Yeah, no, I'm talking about when he was giving me the prep talk about putting myself on the camera.
Okay.
It was that guy was a bounty killer. He was bounty killer. What's his name again? Down by the beach, man. Is it Falmouth was?
There's so many trips I can't remember.
Yeah.
That place, it was called something like
I forgot. And the guy was speaking like Bounty.
Oh, you're talking about Chill Out Hut?
Chill Out Hut.
Okay, yeah, that was the first trip.
Yes, and that's when he was telling me about being on the camera and everything. That was the spot right there.
I remember you said to me, Oliver, you're not the first person to tell me to be on the camera, but you're the first person to explain why.
Yes.
To be the face of the show.
Yes, and that's when it does. From there, I'm here, you know, because otherwise I would have been behind the camera and then hearing voice, you know. Yeah, man. People is wondering, who is that? Who cannot see the person? That's like hear the voice.
I'll tell you why. I was trying to sponsor you, but I couldn't see your face.
Yeah.
So I kept going back and looking at different videos to see if I could, you know what I mean? Not that I wasn't interested in the way he looks. I was just trying to get some essence of his personality.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And then I saw that he was really, you could tell he was really caring about the people that were, you know, going through the struggles with Jin. And I was looking for the expression on his face.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And I saw that he genuinely cared. And then he said, you know, I left Jin in a particular way and I came back and nothing's changed.
Nothing's changed.
He took it upon himself that something's got to be done. But when he came around me, this is Kino. That's me. This is Kino. And he's watching everything. So he's not saying anything to me, but he's Baja doing the talking. And he's sitting back like a general going like,
observe.
Who's this guy? Why is he doing this, you know? And I had to explain to him in Baja, the reason I'm doing this is because you're doing things for people that can't pay you. And I'm trying to pay you for what you're doing. It's not what I have, like it's belonged to me. You've done some good things for people, and this is just a payment coming back to you.
Yes.
And him and Baji, they were sitting there like, kind of like, why? People don't do this. So I said to him and Baji at the time that you have to be aware that what you put out comes back to you.
Yes.
And you're putting out some good tales. Natisha, Jin,
Prince,
and you know,
there's so much.
Handful of other people that I can't remember. You remember that little Rastaman that used to? You said when you were younger, used to go on the mango trees.
Yeah, Kilauea. Joe Barker.
Joe Barker.
Joe Barker. Yeah, Joe Barker.
And you helped to fix up his place. And
yeah,
and I was like, man, you know, I gotta do something, whatever it is that I can do.
And that make a big impact, you know, because that's like the growth of the program, you know, with these trips and everything. That's like put the program on a different level for.
So Kino is he's not very good at being incognito. He's profiling you. He let you know he's projecting them. He's projecting them. I'm profiling you. He's a giggle like this. Literally, like this guy's profiling me.
I'm observing.
I know why he's doing it. He's like, who are you and why are you being so kind? And I'm telling him that the people you're helping, they can't pay you. They can't necessarily pay you, but you earn it. This is, you know. And he started to relax. After that, he's relaxed. He's in the pool. He's eating, he's moving around. I get free up. You know, them time I start to get free up. And him explain everything. So it's true, guys. When him explain everything, I used to say to him that there are no strings attached. It's just straight from the heart. Because I want him to feel relaxed, you know. And Baja, bless Baja, because he's the one that approached me and said, "Look, Oliver, I've never had a time like this in my life."
He got emotional as well too. Baja got emotional.
That's what I like about it, because when there was an opening for Natisha, he was very emotional. He said, Kina came and said, Baja, look inside. And then he choked up. You know what I mean? I choked up too. Because I left Jamaica for quite a while. And I know that people are poor all over the world, but I just didn't know people were living like that. And at the time I was like, we have to do something. You know, we have to do something, because
it was great.
Not everyone get to travel at the same speed.
And
some get left behind. They are our responsibility. You know what I mean?
It's so true. It's so true.
And I just figure I'll try to do something.
Can help?
I can't do everything. I can't save anybody, but you know, a little bit make a.
But look at Natisha from that trip. When she went to the resort, like when she come back, it's like she went to foreign. Different person, you know. Whole perspective change.
How did you come up with the name Resort Baby? Why baby?
Because she was literally like, she was so happy, like, you know, like a young child, bring a young child out. She was so excited because remember, we know what she was going through. She wasn't really smiling and everything. And that night when she was going for the dinner, and she dressed up in the dress. You know, that's the first time she even seen herself like that. And when I see her, I'm like, is that Natisha? You know, and then the fun that she was having, it was amazing, man, you know. So She got the name.
Carla saw her and said, "We're going to dinner. Is that what you're gonna wear?" She just froze and looked at her like, because she wasn't thinking about it.
Yeah.
She went back and changed her clothes.
I'm telling you, when she come out the dress, that's how the music that I use, the entrance that she get, like literally, like it was a life-changing moment, man. Trust me, that changed a lot of the guys' mentality for them to realize, like, there's place out there where not because you're from the ghetto, you have to think here, you have to act like you're from there, and that exposure make them feel like, say, wow, chef, he's in foreign. I was like, you're in Florida, Miami, trust me. And imagine, wow, chef, no one could have tell he was from the inner city that day.
Right.
People were seeing him and think him have the big chain on his neck. You see a man roll up to him and like, yo, think he's from America or something.
I'm going to be honest with you. It's hard for me to be pretentious.
Yeah.
I don't come from any particular creed. I don't come from any, name or stock or anything.
Yeah.
I grew up poor in very challenging situation,
Yeah.
And it's by the luck of God that I just didn't go through some of the stuff that I see people going through. True. And I just figured, they're my responsibility.
Of course.
We came over collectively on the same ship.
Sure.
And we wore the same chains for generations. And not because I may get out of it early in the year and some in the middle of the year, we should forget about the people.
I'll be looking down on them or anything like that. Like, yeah.
Because let me tell you something. If I didn't have people in my life that helped me when I needed help, that helped me when I didn't even know I needed help,
True.
I wouldn't be where I'm at.
True.
So you can't take it for yourself. You pass it on.
Pass it on. And that's it. You cannot forget where you're coming from.
I said this to you before, that when I used to hear and think about Trenchtown, Trenchtown was like a depraved place where there's no good people there, no whatever. When I started watching the program and I saw you and you were helping and I saw the people there, and I'm like, these are just regular people like anywhere else.
Yeah, of course.
And in many ways, they're better than people in better position, So,
all them ones are like a spice, to help out.
And, obviously there's some people there that have some serious problems. They're not going to elevate themselves to a certain way, but they deserve love, they deserve attention, and they deserve kindness.
Sure.
You know what I mean?
Sure.
So if you can help them to sleep on a bed that's clean, if you can help their kid to go to school, it's give a different chance, And there are so many different cultures that help their people. And I'm just saying that we shouldn't just help our own.
Of course.
I'm not saying to put yourself in bankruptcy to do it.
Yeah.
But maybe you can send $10. Just help them. It's not going to hurt you, just help them,
Yes. It's the giving out, boy. It's the giving out. The giving out, man. Trust me. The giving out.
Just help because you can't find one single human being on this planet that hasn't been helped by somebody.
Yeah.
I don't care if it's your family, your teacher. Sometimes you go out in the world and it's just someone just sees something in you.
Yeah.
They're not related to you, whatever.
But
and
they
encourage you.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm not under any illusion as to if I help this person, they're going to blossom and come and see you. I'm not stupid. I know that maybe some people just not going to be able to do better than where they are. But that doesn't mean they don't deserve love. They don't deserve compassion. They don't deserve understanding. They're not going to do the things that you would do because that's not who they are. But
doesn't mean for you to look down on them
or just dismiss them, because sometimes the people that you turn your back on, their children come to be your doctor.
Of course. That is 100% true.
It's just the way.
Yeah, that's 100% true. And how would you feel to know that that kid become your doctor and he was looking down on the parents?
Well, not only that, but look at this. I'd rather that kid become my doctor than the person that robbing me.
Yeah.
So we can make a difference.
Make a difference.
You know what I mean?
Make a difference.
I'm not going to tell anyone, look, put yourself in any kind of jeopardy and financial stress to help somebody.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm just saying if you can.
If you can.
If you can.
If you can.
Maybe you can't do anything but just a prayer and
the thoughts that count, That's a prayer and the thoughts that count.
Try to help, you know what I mean?
Right. That's 100% spot on what Oliver just said.
I have never met a man or woman that says, I have been independent all my life. No one has ever helped me. No one has ever influenced me.
Never.
And I just made it on my own. It's
Never. But you have people think they can do it exactly by themselves. They don't need no one. Literally.
It's not true.
It's not true.
Not true.
You can't find no one at all. Right, Carla? You agree? Of course. And I know the viewers them agree with what Oliver is saying. You cannot find one person to say, yo, I made it on my own.
I changed my diapers. I sent myself to school. No.
Not one.
Sometimes it's you will sit there and your confidence is not up.
Yeah.
A teacher or a friend or somebody might say, "No, you can do it, man. I saw you and you're smart enough. But you just need some confidence. You can do this because I saw this that you did, and I know you're special." You're still getting help.
Of course.
I remember one day I was walking. I came home from. I was living in Jamaica at the time, and I was like about maybe 12 years old. And I was walking on the street, and I don't remember if it was a meatloaf or a beef patty. And I had the last few coins. In those days, you could get like a beef patty for like 12 cents or...
Way back them times, way back. That's way back.
Don't push it all the way back.
Yeah, for that money, that's way back.
Yeah, that's way
back.
As soon as I get the beef patty out, and I'm walking, right, and I pull it out the bag to let it cool.
Yeah.
A Jamaican madman come by and go like, whap!
And grab it and go.
Grab it.
Grab it and
I'm
go.
standing there, right, and this is a big man. I'm young, and he's pretty much naked, and he's covered with dirt and just, it looked like hell. And I saw this guy, grown man. He was standing, leaning against the wall, and he's looking at me and says, "What's your lunch, huh? So you have any more money?"
No.
What am I going to do? Go fight the homeless guy? So he said, "Come with me." And he took me back to the beef patty store.
And buy you one. Two for the one that you lost.
Two for the one that I lost.
Two for the one that you lost.
I'm a grown man now. Sometimes people say you look younger than your age.
That's true.
I never forget that kindness. Never. Kindness.
Not once.
No, look, this guy didn't give me $1,000 or make me richer or anything. But he showed me compassion.
Yeah.
And I lived with it. And I know that compassion doesn't belong to me. The only thing I need to do is pass it on.
Pass it on.
And then by some luck, some dumb luck, God says, "You know what? I'm going to help you a little bit." And I'm supposed to say, "Well, take it off for myself?"
Yeah, no, still do it back.
Pass it on. Because I have enough to eat. I have a place to sleep. So the extras, what am I going to do with it?
True. Wow.
I'm not going to have a little extra and watch the t-shirt saying, this place where I live in, I'm trying to get away from a situation and we knock out the wall and there's a window here and it used to be a toilet and you go like,
turn it back and turn it back.
My problem, how are you going to do that? No, people might say, well, it's not my fault that the person is in that condition. Well, you don't know how that person grew up.
True.
You don't know how the neighborhood treat her. You don't know how her parents treat her. You don't know how teachers and whatever treat that person. And you don't know why they're that. Sometimes the only hope they have in life is you walking into their life. And if you take the same position as the people who turn against them, then they have no hope.
No, not all.
And then you can't sit there and say, why are they acting like animals? When you're the one that treat them like animals. Get it?
Get it. Get it. Carla, you get it?
Get it.
Yes, she is. Well, guys. So, you know, it was a wonderful experience, you know, so trust me. It was so good, you know, the turnout was amazing, you know, it's nothing but love, you know, and I thank each and everyone that came out, you know, we thank us so much, you know, for making us that day great, you know, so blessings to all. Thank each and everyone, you know, my extended family, and who couldn't make it, you know, we thank you so much for being here, you know, it's a pleasure meeting you guys in person, physically. Love was great. You know, the love was great. So, you know, I'm going to head on home, you know. Oliver and Carla is here. You know, everything goes already. We're going to make a spin around the block. You know, you're going to see what I go on top. You're going to see what's going on, guys, you know. So, guys, this is what I'm going to be driving right now. Night Rider. This is what I'm going to be pushing tonight. You know, this is the Tesla, the mean boy, the mean machine. Guys, check out this. This is like a Night Rider. This is the Night Rider.
Use your thumb and push this side, and then use your thumb, push that side. Put your finger here.
Yeah.
Thumb. Put your finger.
Okay. Oh. I was wondering what I go on. Tesla. Drive to Jamaica. Turn on music. Wait there. No, man, I say I'm just to drive to Jamaica. Drive to Jamaica.
Need the address, right? Correct?
This looks like a transformer.
Okay, so we got navigation. 50 minutes? We're going to drive a little bit and we're going to put you in, right?
First.
So now I'm going to put a foot on the brake and I'm going to go put it in parking. And then in this case, I'm just going to
leave it. Or you make it drive a bit. Why Elon us?
Then I'm going to put it now in the. So the car took over. You see that blue line?
Oh, it took over now.
Now look, see my hands on my feet.
Here you go, guys.
you see what it's saying here?
It's indicated as well too.
So it stops because it has to follow the stop
signs.
sign. And then it comes on and it looks to make sure that you're okay.
Yeah. Elon Musk. With the indicator left, or was that drive a different way? To the highway?
Well, it's going to take you to Cutler Bay.
Damn. Hey, just relax and all our vibes. And then we got a sharp turn.
Goodness.
Don't it? That's cool. Huh? Just like that. This is what the future is like. Look, guys, no hands driving.
I'm not driving anything.
No, he's not pressing, and no acceleration, no brake.
It is right here.
Nothing.
You see, it stops for the car in the circle of driving.
Yeah.
It picks where the route is. Now, let me show you something here. If I go like that, it shows you exactly where it's going to go. You see that? And it's going to go all the way down. Now, what's happening is that there's a camera right here.
Yeah.
And it's telling me, you heard that boop boop?
Yeah.
You know, it's telling me that it knows I'm not paying attention to the road.
Oh. Okay, so you need to be looking on the road.
Yeah, so because I'm talking to you, right? It's saying, hey, you're not paying attention.
Oh, okay.
So watch me now. As soon as I go like this and turn my head, he said, okay, we're good again.
Good again. No, boy. This is proper show.
The yield and the stop sign and all that stuff.
Everything. And you see the car. Yeah. Everything is for behind the car.
So it's also responsive that if you try to hit this car,
yeah,
it will try to
avoid it.
Avoid that. And if you're driving erratic and you're doing certain things that you shouldn't be doing, even if you're doing it behind me and I can't see you, the car sees it.
It sees it.
And so if you pull up next to it, it will like pull back or switch a lane.
So this would this work in Jamaica?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a dream team.
One team.
This one is coming down, you know. This one is coming. Imagine pulling up in Trenchtown. Imagine.
No, you see you see the speed that it's going.
30,
30 miles there. It's respecting the speed limit here. Now, if I want to go a little bit above that, I can do two things. I can either use the accelerant and go like that, right? Or I can use this wheel. This is gonna stop.
Got a stop sign.
It's stop sign. It observe all the traffic laws.
So even if you're pressing on the acceleration and come to the stop sign and you're still pressing, it's gonna stop saying.
No. If you step on the accelerator, it overrides the system. You know what I'm saying? So say it's going 30 and I feel like this is
too slow.
It's too slow, but look, I can use this wheel, right? You see it says 30 here?
Yeah.
And I go like that. You see, it's telling me I'm not paying attention to the road.
Yeah.
So I need to hold my head forward and then they say, okay, I got you.
You got you, yeah.
You're not sleeping or anything.
Oh man, this technology is mad. It's like you're playing a game right now.
It's telling you I'm going to take a turn here.
Left. I like the camera. The camera clean as well.
This is from the back.
The back. Camera.
So if you're driving in this, right? And someone is behind you and they're driving erratic.
Yeah.
And if they pull up to you, this car will know that that driver, something is off.
Something is off, right?
And they will try to avoid that driver.
So go in this lane. So this lane is which lane? The slower lane?
No, it's going to take a turn to go south.
Okay. So come over early.
So what this is doing is it's already plotting the route. So if you're going to go like that, it's going to go south on this one. So it's going to take you here and take you there. You see,
so you're not
paying attention to the road. So I'm like, okay.
And you're good again.
And it's good again.
So you definitely want to look on the road.
Yes.
So even if you're sleeping, it's going to know you're sleeping.
I'm not doing anything. I'm not telling you whatever to go or whatever.
It's going where it's definitely going to go.
So if I were going to the destination that we have in here, I just go like this.
Yeah. So what if you start to sleep?
Well, I think it will. I think it will try to wake you up.
You start to make some noise or something.
It will try to wake you up.
Look at the buzz, right?
So this is now going on a highway, right? And you're figuring, well, you know, it's very dangerous on the highway because cars are driving very fast and all this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Something might happen. This vehicle is designed for highway.
Oh.
It's safer on the highway than
the
just
normal
regular road. Because, you know, it doesn't get tired, it doesn't get fatigued. You know?
It's built for that.
Right, it's built for that. I'm going to go up a little bit with speed. You see, I put it up.
Yeah.
Here is the problem, though. You see, the highway will have certain speed zone, like you can go to 45 to 55, 75 to 45. Most cars on the road don't recognize those things. This does.
This does, right?
So it will reduce according to
the speed limit.
Yeah.
I can see go up now to, because this is what 65 it just said. Yeah, so see the sign, it says
If
65.
you look up here, you'll see it will tell you. You see right there,
65,
65,
yeah.
64. Now it's looking at, you see there's a camera right here.
Right here.
So the camera is saying, hey Oliver, you're not really doing too good looking forward. You see that it stopped? You know why it stopped? Because I held my head straight.
Oh.
So it just, okay, we're here, we're good?
Yeah, we're good. I'm so tough. Oh boy.
Put your seatbelt on.
Seatbelt on.
This will put you when you move off, right? You don't have to do anything, but you can put your finger on that.
This, right?
Yeah,
Press
hold
it?
it. Yeah, hold it down. Okay, take your finger off. And it's gonna now move. I gotta put my seat.
Yes, I have seatbelt on.
And it's gonna take you to the Biscayne. It's waiting, so touch the accelerator. Yeah, touch it a little.
Whoa.
Just you know. I take your foot off.
Good now.
Alright, take your foot off the accelerator. You see, it's not gonna hit the garbage or anything.
Yeah.
Now it's gonna take you back here. So it's gonna take you down the road and get you back on the highway.
Tesla, yeah. I'm driving my Tesla. Guys, I'm driving my Tesla, so I go on. The box truck, I didn't get that one, so finally I got this one, boy. You know, I never got to drive it, so this one I am driving a Tesla.
So this is getting back on the highway, right?
Yeah.
Remember, we took a right turn to get off the highway.
It's going back now.
Now it's gonna come out and it's gonna watch these cars, and it's gonna see that one turning. It's not doing anything. It's watching these. It's not doing anything. It's not gonna move until it gets the right position.
And it's going across the road.
You see where this car is? It's gonna pass it. See the bikers hanging
Ah,
out
the
there?
bikers then.
Hang on for the bike.
You see where it says there, north and south?
Yeah.
So
Going
it's
to the
going
right.
south. So you don't have to drive it.
Yeah, it's driving me. But guys, I mean I drive see mate. I use my brain here.
Now if you want to go a little faster, you push this
Push it up a little bit.
So the goal is that, let's say you're married, right? Check this out, something else. So you're married, and you have a wife and 2 kids.
Yeah.
This car will take you to work in the morning, right? Come back and pick up the kids.
Yeah.
And take them to school.
For you.
You're gone. You're at work.
And just do it automatically by itself.
It comes back and pick up the kids. Take them to school. And then it comes back and pick up your wife and she can go shopping or whatever she wants to do.
Without you doing nothing at all.
You're not there. You want to hear the best part?
Yeah.
There's an app. You can put it on that app and it goes out and run like a taxi while you're there.
Okay. I have to drive you just like that. What a life to live, you know? Without touching the steering wheel, just relax, car drive it, just go and look about, you know? Don't have to worry about nothing.
So you have your license but you're not using it?
I got my license but I'm not using it, guys, but I'm just driving. No hands on the steering wheel, none at all. First time in my life driving a car without me, I have to literally put my hand on the steering wheel.
Yeah. Future is real.
Future is real, so real. Let's imagine that. The thing is good though, you know?
We're going to go all the way down here and take a left turn. But you see the vehicle here is already mapped that for you.
I'm making the left.
And showing you exactly where it's going to go.
Yeah.
That's where we're going with this guy.
Right. It feels good though, sitting on this side, knowing that the vehicle is driving, and you're not doing anything.
You know, I'll tell you this,
steering
man,
is right here.
You're one of the first person that has ever been in the car with us, and with no prior experience, and is as calm as you are. This is not freaking you out?
No.
Not me, Kino.
No, it's a color. Freak your color.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
See, it's waiting. It's showing you it's going to take a left.
It's going to take the left coming up.
So it's switching.
Yeah.
You see, it's going to take another. So it's showing you right there.
Color feels good. You know, it feels good. Like, yeah.
Boy, this free color ride for months.
This is the vehicle I drive, and it's weird still, man. Like, it's a weird feeling, but good at the same time. It's very weird for the one say, yo, the car drive you literally, and you ain't doing nothing.
I sit in this car for hundreds of miles and never touch the steering wheel.
Never touch it.
Just
same. Look at that guy.
This is Miami Beach right here. Once you put the address in, it maps it for you.
Yeah.
And it takes you
wherever you want to go. So here's it, guys. I'm going wherever I want to go. Driving the Tesla for the team. Don't worry, wash it from the back and boom, they're on the same way. You know? Yeah, man, there. Yeah, go and drive for them.
And you haven't touched the steering wheel?
No, not once, you know. Not once I haven't touched the steering wheel. You know, I'm saying the steering wheel is right here. Not once. Not once.
That's our Manhattan right there.
Manhattan here in Florida. This is called the lazy boy driving. Just relax like this with the car, do your thing.
And you see it changes lane. Because we're putting Biscayne, so it's going to Biscayne. Now, if you go that side, you're going to go over to the islands in the southern side of Miami. And those are usually homes where the ultra rich live on those islands. So that's the arena.
That's the arena over there. Miami Eats.
But look at what this is telling you. It's gonna go behind the
arena.
The arena.
Go in the car park. That's what we put the Miami East arena. So it's probably gonna go in the car park.
Touch the brake. That disengage.
Autopilot.
So now you're gonna drive on your own.
Whoa. Okay.
Kino, you're gonna look for the left and the right when you can. You see this one, the signs on the floor?
Yeah.
It says you can.
Yes. They're going left also.
Look, see the rims on there?
Spinning.
So Kino, do you know where you are?
Well, yes, I'm in the Tesla. That's where I'm at right now. I'm inside the Tesla.
You're at Biscayne.
Biscayne.
Yeah, Biscayne is a major tourist attraction around this side.
Okay.
Let's see, Kino getting his Tesla groove on. That's his destination right there.
Show the people that walk as well. Too.
It shows everything.
Everything.
And it shows you driving it.
Showing me driving. Watch over the too hard. Twice. You know? Twice.
Boy, you can't.
So we're going left?
Left, right. You see where that car is coming?
Yeah. Okay, left, right.
Yeah, I don't even know if you can get in there, but look.
Oh, it say do not enter. So I guess cannot enter then.
Alright, so stay in the lane to the left.
This one, right?
Yeah. And then we're gonna try to enter into that side right there.
Okay. So now I remember I said go far left, far right.
And then we're gonna go over here for a minute.
Biscayne.
And then we're gonna take you home so you're not out after curfew.
There's no curfew. I'm just going to put in some editing for this video for tomorrow.
So I'm just trying to make sure that you're not driving.
Let me see if I'm driving still.
I know, but I'm saying like operating the car. I'm trying to. Let's see if your foot is touching anything. Move your foot. You're not driving anything.
No, it's on brake, everything, you know.
Oh well, you're gonna have to drive now. Because we're gonna go into a parking lot.
Yeah.
Now the car's to your left. Go ahead and touch your brake. That should disconnect you from the. From Carla, look.
At the big wheel.
Yeah, they put up a wheel on it.
Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.